Hello, my name is George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series developed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to show you how to share explorations in GA4. So what are explorations? That's the report writing capability within Google Analytics 4. It allows you to combine dimensions and metrics in whichever way you'd like to build customized reports to answer specific questions. So we're going to start at the home page of Google Analytics 4, which you can see here, and we're going to go to the Explore menu, which it makes it nice because the only choice in Explore is the explorations. That's the customized reports that we're going to show you how to share those. Now keep in mind we've got a couple other videos in this series on explorations showing you how to build those and what they're all about. Today we're just going to show you how to share those. We're going to show you how to share those in two ways. One, we want to be able to share those with other users on the same Google Analytics property. And we'll also show you how to share reports across properties. So from one property to the next, which is a recently developed new capability from GA4 that we're super excited about. Okay, so first of all, here we can see our one report here. We've got templates up top that you can use, but we've built one custom report here. And of course, this is one of my favorites, source medium campaign. That's a very common report you'll find in all of our GA4 setups. But if I go over here to the three dots and click, I can get an opportunity for a couple actions. One, if I choose just to share, which is going to be the share button here, and I'll go ahead and choose that now, that will share this exploration in read-only mode with any other users on this same property. Now keep in mind it will be read-only, so once you share that with those users, they'll have to duplicate that. So I'll go ahead and share it. Once they see that report, they won't be able to edit it, but it's very easy. All they have to do is go and duplicate that report, and then they'll have one that they can edit. Okay, so that's how to share a property across various users on that same property. But if we want to copy a report from property to property, that's a different approach, and I'll show you how to do that. For instance, you might have 5 stores in a dealer group, and for one store you build out all the reports and explorations, and now you'd like to copy those across the other properties. Here's how we'll do it. So again, we go back to the three-dot menu, and this time we'll choose Copy Across Properties. And once you choose that, it will show you any other properties that are within this same Google Analytics 4 ownership, and you account that is, and you can just click Copy to Property. Again, it's going to show you any other properties within your GA4 account, and you can copy those across those properties. Now, you won't be able to copy those across accounts. You would have to get all those properties within the same account, but that's how you would copy those across. So I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to learn more about Google Analytics 4, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can be notified when new videos come out. I've also got a Google Analytics 4 book on Amazon. If you go to Amazon and just search for my name, George Nenni, you can see a Car Dealer's Guide to Google Analytics 4. There's also a couple other books that I've got up there, a Car Dealer's Guide to Google Business Profile, and then a Car Dealer's Guide to Digital Marketing, which is a nice overview book on automotive digital marketing. If you want to learn more about me and our company, Generations Digital, you can just search for my name or search for Generations Digital on Google, and you'll see all of our different properties. But thank you very much for watching, and good luck in your GA4 adventures.